You all are air. One of the things about gases is that if you push them together, they tend to be like, no, we don't want to be so close to the person next to me. And they'll move into the space on the other side. So if I push on you, you're going to end up pushing on her all the way through, okay? Like that. Now, so here we'll do one pulse. Ready? I'm a tuning fork. And I whap. Now, that wasn't a vibration, was it? Because it was only one. But a vibration is back and forth. Ready? So, whap, 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 whap. Okay. So, stay where you are. Let me ask you a kind of a difficult question. My monster heard the whapping, heard the tuning fork go beep, right? But that was just with the air here. How come, you're going to stay where you are, how come if I go out like this, okay, and I go out in the hall, I'll do it. Help, help, let me in. Okay, we're good, we're good. Okay. How come you could hear me? There was a door in the way.
It vibrates the door.
Ah, it hits, you would have whapped into the door would have then whapped into some more air, and it eventually whapped into your eardrums. There's still whapping going on, okay? So now I'm going to ask you, what can I do to change the sound? Because remember, I have to change the sound to make music. So what are some things I can do to change what I'm doing? I'm a tuning fork.
Faster?
I could go faster or slower, right? So I could go whap, 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 or I go whap, whap, whap. Okay, that's one thing I could change. What else could I do?
The intensity?
Yeah, how hard I whap. Okay, I go whap, 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 or I could whap, whap. What do you think that would do to the sound? Louder or quieter? How hard it is how hard I whap is louder or quieter. That's why when you pluck the string harder, it whaps harder, right? When you pluck the string softer, it whaps less hard and it's less loud. So then what do you think the speed with which I whap will change? What do you think will happen if I whap really quickly?
Versus whapping less frequently, right? So, this is a quiet, no whapping. This is a loud and low whapping. What have I changed? How hard, the volume, right? Okay, loud and low.
This is a high pitch sound. Why? Why is high pitch? Going fast, very frequent whapping, but not very hard. This is a scream! Right? High pitch and loud! Fast and loud, okay. So I'm not going to do that with you all because it'll hurt you, but I want you to picture that anytime I'm making those sounds, that's actually what's happening. It's not a sound wave that does this. It's actually not how sound moves. Sound moves with a back and forth motion. We just graph it that way so you get this misconception. So this is the key idea, right, to have in your mind. Now, I just did that work. That is not, wouldn't assume that you have it. So now you're going to have to do something. So go back, get back with your groups, and I'll show you something.